Human resource planning. Ideal start of recruitment and selection process. Recruitment and selection process ideally starts with human resource planning. After all, if you don't know what your organization's HR needs will be in the next few months, why should you be hiring? If you look into the diagram shows different steps in the recruitment and selection process. You can see human resource planning is the first step. Human resource planning would help you to start the recruitment process. And then your candidate may pass through several hurdles and become an employee. At the end, you can orient new employees to the organization. It is important to know about what is human resource planning. Human resource planning is the process of deciding what positions the firm will have to fill and how to fill them. It means there are two parts of this definition. The first is what kind of position you need to fill. Non-managerial employees, first-line managers, middle-level managers, or top-level managers. And then you should also know that how to fill such kind of position, because there are different kind of procedures to fill different kind of positions. What human resource planning includes, this is very important to know. It includes all future positions which need to be filled from clerk to managers. However, most of the firms call the process of deciding how to fill executive positions a succession planning. Succession planning is very similar to the human resource planning, but it only refers to the top management position. For example, chief executive officers and managing directors. It is very much important to link strategic plan of organization to the human resource planning. If you look into the diagram, on the top there is an employer strategic plan. An employer strategic plan is linked with employer functional plans. It means there is a clear linkage between strategic plan and functional plan. Functional plans include marketing and sales plan, production plans, financial plans, and human resource plans. In this course, our focus would be on human resource planning, obviously. Human resource planning includes number of other plans. For example, the first one is personal plan. Personal plan is interconnected with training and development plan, compensation plan, labor relations plans, and security and safety plans. It means all of the HR plans are interconnected with each other. Personal plan include three major components. The first one is a personal forecasting. And second one is a recruitment plans. And third one is the employee selection plans. In this course, we would mainly focus on all of these three plans, including human resource planning, recruitment planning, and employee selection planning. It showed that linking strategy and HR planning is very much important for hiring best qualified candidate for your organization. HR planning should reflect the firm's strategic plans. Thus, plans to enter new businesses or to launch new product all influences the types of position you will need to fill or eliminate. It is not always to fill the position. If you are launching new business, then you may need to fill position. But if you are withdrawing some of your product from any particular market, then you may need to eliminate some of positions in your human resource plan. So it is important to know about the filling of position and elimination of positions for better human resource planning.